Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me HP DeskJet INK Advantage 4675, and now I'm gonna show you how to install paper cards on this device. So first you need to open the paper tray cover, then drag it up, and here you will see these gray elements. Using these elements you can change the size of installing paper cards. Well, cool. So for example, you make it smaller to print on A5 or on envelopes, or you make it wider to print on A4 cards. If you want to print in A4 cards, so just make the wider mode and just install it. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.